Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. This is Neetu, your computer teacher. In this video, we are going to discuss your exercise from chapter number 2, that is stepwise gathering of information. Let's discuss our exercise problems one by one. This is your first question. Your first question is annual day of the primary section is on February 21. You are given the following information about the program. See the information they have given here. First we will read out this schedule for the annual day function. Schedule information is given here. First one is a welcome speech, welcome song, dance, group song, drama, instrumental music, awards and vote of thanks by school teacher. Your principal has asked you to prepare the program sheet for the annual day. Now, what principal is doing means he is asking you to prepare the program sheet of the annual day with the help of the information provided below. First one is the timing of each item on the annual day, name and the grades of participants. Based on this information, you want to prepare the program sheet. Okay. So what you want to do now? To prepare the program sheet, write down the information that you know and the information that you don't know. In this chapter, we have studied about what stepwise gathering of information, and in the second step what you will do, you will analyze the goal and identify the requirements of subtask. For that, what you want to do, you want whatever information you know, you want to write it separately, and whatever information you don't know, you want to write it separately. So here they have asked information that you know first you want to write, and you don't know whatever you don't know you want to write that first. Think for 5 minutes, then you want to answer the question. So see, like this what you want to do, you want to draw this in your notebook, information that you know and information that you don't know. Okay, now what all information you know already, the schedule for the annual day function has given. Okay, like welcome speech, welcome song, dance, group song, drama, awards, vote of thanks, so many information we know. Okay, but some information like what we don't know, we want to write it over here. Okay, so see, I have written some of the information which we don't know, like duration of welcome speech we don't know, duration of dance, participants list, duration of group song, name and standard of participants. Now name and standard of participants involved in drama, like so many things I have written here. Okay, now according to you, if you have any other different points other than this, you can mention it here. Okay, children? See, this is according to my concept. Okay, so if you have any other new like idea which you don't know, you can write it over here. Now, our next question is Gurpreet has been given a camera to take pictures in a bird sanctuary. He has taken the pictures of the following birds. Okay, Gurpreet is a boy, and like he has got a camera to take pictures in a bird sanctuary. Okay, now he has taken the pictures of the following birds. Some birds, like nearly 9 birds picture is given here. First one is help Gurupreet to identify the resources from where he can gather information on these birds. First, what you want to do? Like we want to help the Gurupreet to identify the resources from where he can gather the information on these birds. Discuss with friends and do a union of the information that you know. Union means what? In Venn diagram we have studied two parts. One is intersection and in union. Union part, what you will do? You will write all the information you have gathered without any duplicates. Okay, so next question is list the information gathered such as name of the bird, place where found and lifespan each of the birds. The teachers may provide a book or other sources for information that you don't know. Okay, now here as I told, there are 9 birds picture is there. Now with the help of your parents or any other resources, you want to fill the following: name of the bird, place where it found and lifespan, and at last you want to draw a union diagram. Okay, see, I have done 4. I have done uh, I have gathered four informations for you, and the remaining five birds picture you want to find out. Okay, you can ask your parents. You can search it in internet, anything. Otherwise, in books also you can search it. See, I have done it. Name of the first bird is parrot, and place where it found India. Lifespan is 20 years. See, next one is kingfisher, and place it found Europe, North Africa and Asia. Lifespan 5 to 7 years. And also I have done for two more birds. Okay, crow, and a place where it is found and lifespan. Then pigeon, place where it is found and lifespan. Now again, how many birds are there? There are five birds: myna, woodpecker, sparrow, seagull and peacock. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to fill the answers for these birds. Next question is, Pinku, Pinky and Raju are having summer holidays. Their mother had asked them to prepare list of items they would like to have for breakfast in the holiday. Pinky and Raju have both prepared a list on each item. Consolidate the two lists. Okay, see what is happening. Pinky and Raju, they are having their summer holidays, and their mother is asking to them to prepare a breakfast list, and they have prepared the breakfast list separately. Now for this, what we want to do, we want to consolidate the list. Consolidate, we can do it with the help of a table and also Venn diagram. Here we can do this using Venn diagram. Already one list is there separately, Pinkies and Rajus. Now what you will do, see, I didn't wrote this, you want to write, that's why I didn't fill this circle. Okay, first you want to, there are two parts are there, one is union and another one is intersection. Okay, in union what you will do, in union you will write all the informations without any duplicate, like what they have given here. They have given here egg omelette, dosa, banana, everything you will write here without any duplicate in union. Okay, now this is intersection. Okay, now here what you want to write, this is Pinky's list and this is Raju's list. Whatever Pinky and Raju have written, you want to fill it here over here, and in both dosa is common. Okay, so you will write the dosa in middle and remaining things you will fill it over here. Okay, next question is, identify the category and fill in the blanks with correct answer. Okay, so here see, some categories given. According to this, we want to write the answers. See here, winter, spring, summer, it is related to which category? Seasons. Okay, and from here 1 2 3 4 5 questions are there. Now again one more thing I will do it for you, and the remaining four you want to do it by yourself. Children, whatever like I have explained and whatever questions you want to write, I will check it afterwards. Okay, whenever we are back to school, I will check it. So one more question I am going to solve. This India, Japan and France, this category is related to what? Country. Okay, so here what you want to write? Country. Okay. Now the next question is, actually this picture is not clear, children, so you want to refer page number 33. Okay, from your book you can refer page number 33. Where am I found? Here is a list of some living things. Lion, sparrow, so many living things list is here. Classify the living things according to where they are found, and under the ground, on the ground or some other place. Note, some of the living things are found in more than one place. Prepare a table on the computer as follow. Now what you want to do, see here one table list is there, and some living things are given here. Okay, so many living things are here, only they have mentioned here some living things, but from the list given here you want to fill every living things, and you want to write where it belongs to, underground, on the ground and some other place. Okay, but some living things they found in more than one place, like B, they are found on the ground and in also some other place. Okay, and also bat. Bat is found on the ground and also some other place. See, earthworm is found under the ground and also on the ground. Like this, you want to put a tick mark. Where you will do, you can do this in Word. Okay, Microsoft Office Word, you can do, draw a table like this and fill the list. Okay, living things, then where it found. If it is found in more than one place like this, you want to put a tick mark in both. If you can't, if you are not able to do in Microsoft Office Word, that is MS Word, means in notebook, draw a table like this, put 1 2 3 4 column, then you want to write accordingly. Okay children, I will check it this also. And at last, what you want to do here, you want to draw this Venn diagram also. See here, three things they have given, three information: under the ground, on the ground and some other place. Like this, you want to draw three circle and see under the ground. Okay, first earthworm, yeah, it is found in under the ground. From that list, lion is there. Okay, lion also it is found in under on the ground only, not under the ground or some other place. And sparrow, it is found on the ground and also some other place, means trees. So they have they have written it in the middle. Like this, you want to write the remaining list. Okay, living things. Now your last question is, this question you can refer in page number 34. Okay, the teacher wants the student to plan an outdoor camp, summer camp for the class. The student can discuss with each other and also take help from the teacher. Step 1 and 2 have been filled up. Write details from step 3. Okay, now the teacher is like teacher and student, they are planning for an outdoor summer camp with their class members. Now what is happening? The student can discuss with each other and also take help from the teacher. Step 1 and 2 is filled and the remaining steps from 3 we want to fill it. Okay, now just you imagine this situation, like like you children and like me, we are planning for an outdoor camp. Okay, now our goal is for a summer camp. Now you think what will be the situation and what are the information you know and what are the situation you don't know. So now just think and keep it in your mind. Okay, step 1, identify and state the goal clearly. What is our goal? To plan an adventurous outdoor summer camp for the class. Okay, what is the step 2? Analyze the goal and identify the requirements. So what is like a goal? We know we have examined our goal. Now requirements, what are the requirements? First we want to plan the tickets. Now we want to send a notice to parents, fill student registration and collect the fees, prepare a camp activity schedule, create a list of things to be carried. So many things are there. Prepare a list of frequently asked questions asked by parents with answers. So so many requirements are there. Now third, identify the information required to accomplish the task. For performing the task listed below, write what information is needed. Now for accomplishing the task, see, now this information should be filled by you. Plan for booking tickets, send a notice to parents. See, for every every heading, top heading, they have given you one example. Plan for booking tickets, like duration of the camp, we must like how many days the camp is going to be there. So everything like we want to write it over there. Send a notice to parent, fill student registration and collect the fees, prepare a camp, create a list of things to be carried, prepare a list of frequently asked questions. Now step 4, step 5 and step 6. Okay, see, you can write your own answers. Here I have given a sample. Okay, like you can plan and write. These are the, like according to me, I have written some information for every point. Now other than this, if you know any other points, you can write it. See, for everything I have written. Now if you want, like if you know any other answers, you can fill that answers also. At last, what you want to do, we want to consolidate. How you will consolidate all this information from parents, whatever information you have gathered from this, you want to write here. From here, from these all information, whatever belongs to student, you want to write it over here, and from teacher you want to write it over here. Okay children, so take care of yourself. We will meet in our next video. Bye.